Hello everybody, Jimmy is Promo here, back again with another awesome video, and in today's video we will be doing a little bit of a tradition here on the channel of Jimmy is Promo, which is where at every launch of a Samsung Galaxy device I share with you an exclusive wallpaper. Now I've done this in the past with several different devices. I've done it with the S8, the Galaxy Note 8, the S9, S9 Plus, and then now finally the Galaxy Note 9, and the response from all of you have been pretty well positive. So I get questions daily and sometimes especially weekly about, hey Jimmy, where did you get that wallpaper? How did you get your background? Can you send me that background or wallpaper? And so here is the video today where I'm sharing it with you for the Galaxy Note 9. So as an example of what this looks like, you can see that right here, this one is going to be the one for the Galaxy Note 9. Now I will have two different images that will be placed in a link below this video. So below this video inside the description, you'll see a Google Drive link. You'll click on that. You'll see two different images. The first one is going to be this one here that has my backsplash of Jimmy is Promo. The other one will have this original background, but no backsplash of the Jimmy is Promo name. Now, if you do want to support this channel without getting monetarily, involved, you'd be able to just download this little wallpaper here. And just as an example, the reason why I have the Galaxy S9 Plus is to kind of show you what I did for that device. If you wanted to check out this wallpaper, you can watch that video. That one does have the link below the video as well that you're able to download it for the S9 and the S9 Plus. Now, a little background of where I get these little wallpapers from is that I walk inside of a carrier location before the phone is launched, because Samsung has these phones up on display and they have a retail or demo loop. What I do is I find a particular scene or a spot in that little video that represents that phone. And so for this one, for the Galaxy Note 9, it literally pops up for maybe 1 second. So I tried about 4 or 5 different times of getting a screenshot, finally got it, sent it over to my device, and then I customize it. Now the exciting thing about this video and about this tradition is that I'd like to make a small little change, but it's a pretty big one at the same time. Now, I only don't want to share my two wallpapers with you, I also want to share user-generated wallpapers and backgrounds. So if you create one or edit or customize either the one I sent you, or if you hand drew or made from scratch and did some drawings and colorings of a background or wallpaper for the Galaxy Note 9, share that image with me. You can share it in a Google Drive document and send it as an email, which my email is jimmyispromo@gmail.com. You can share it to me on Twitter. You can share it to me in any other way, Instagram, however you would like to do it. But I would probably say the easy way is make a background or wallpaper, place it inside of Google Drive, and send me that link. I will download that link and place it in this main link in this video so everybody can see other people's user-generated or your personal generated backgrounds. And also what I'll do is if I really like that background, I will place it as my background or wallpaper, and I will be using it in future videos. So this way, if you are an artist or somebody who just wanted to make something, I would be able to use it on my phone in my videos. So now let's head over and let me show you how I created this. So first off, I have this as a screenshot. And what I did was I opened it up, and this is the original image from what you've seen from before. My next step was when I added in a picture, and then I kind of did a little bit of drawing around it to kind of make it look like almost like an ink splash. Now, when you are looking at this image and you want to go on the very top right hand side, you go to Photo Editor Pro. This is where you're able to make a little bit of edits. Now, first off, if you go inside of decoration, this is where you're able to draw, and then you can also add in more images. So this was where I went inside of here and I added in my little image. Now, I'm not going to make this as perfect as I did from before since I already have it saved, but basically you can see that I placed it right inside of here. Once I hit on that little checkbox, then I went inside of the decoration, I went to draw, and then within drawing, you can go on the very bottom and you can choose what you would like to use. Now for this one, I believe I went with one of these, and I went with black, and then you can go to close, and then I kind of went right around here and I started making a little bit of customizations to pretty much my image. So it doesn't really look like, I don't want it to look like a rectangle, I want it to kind of look like there was, something going around with it, especially maybe like a little splash. And so this is pretty much how it was created. But it's actually pretty fun because the thing about me is that I like to have something, that was made by myself, something that is unique. I don't want to have something that everybody else has. just because, you know, we're not all the exact same. We're all unique and special. So that right there was pretty much how it was all created. And then basically when you hit on save, then you're able to add this thing as a wallpaper. Now, if you wanted to go check out on exactly how to set it up as a wallpaper, when you're looking at your image on the very top right-hand side, you're able to just go on the very top and hit on set as wallpaper. This is where you can do it as home screen, lock screen, or the home and lock. Now, let's say that you do want to go inside of Penup and you wanted to create your own little background. This is where you can do something from your gallery. You can also do something with a drawing. And again, you can go right over here and you can actually add in a picture from the gallery. So from beforehand, I was showing you how I was able to do it with Luigi. And so when I did it with that one, pretty much how it came out was, let's say I go on back over here, I go back over into my account. This was the end result of Luigi that I drew. So if you're doing something with the Galaxy Note 9, definitely have fun with it, go and do it. Now, if you want to download this image from Penup, this is where you go to the very top right hand side and you go to download. Once you download this, it'll be inside of your downloads folder. And then this is where you're able to either share it with a Google Drive link, you can post it to me on Twitter or Instagram, and then also you'd be able to set it up as your background. Now, I hope that you guys have liked this video, and I also hope that you guys interact with this video. I hope you guys would go out there, create some backgrounds and wallpapers, so then this way I'd be able to receive some of those either through my email or anything else. If you guys have questions, just write it in the comment below this video, but share with me some of the backgrounds that you create. As long as it's appropriate and cool, I'm definitely going to put it inside of that Google Drive document so everybody else would be able to choose what background they would like to use, either yours or they can also use mine. So again, if you guys have questions, write a comment below this video. I hope you guys enjoy the concept of this video where I share with you an exclusive wallpaper that nobody else has, that is also customized, again, by myself. But with this tradition, I want to add you guys and have more images to place in that link. Outside of that, I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. It's that red circle. You can hit it and subscribe that way. And share this video with your friends and family and social media sites so everybody knows where to go for the latest and most up-to-date tips and tricks and tutorials and reviews of all of the Samsung products. Outside of that, I'll see you guys later.